Hi, I'm Norman Cabrera with the Stan Winston School of Character Arts. Welcome to Sculpting Monster Masks Part 3. We covered the lockout and we've covered the secondary forms. In this step, we cover the detailing, which is really the final step in making your creature look like it's alive, like the surface is actual skin and not rubber. In this third class, we're going to cover inspiration, the finer sculpting tools, brushes and solvents, texture pads, refining in secondary forms, texturing, and everything you need to finish detailing your monster mask. This is where you get into all the fine details and the things that are going to really make your piece look like skin. I hope you take what we learned in this class and apply it to your cool monster and go out there and show the world that you can make a monster too. There's a lot to learn on this last step, so let's jump right into it.